So the topic is matrix multiplication or multiplication of matrix. So we will see how to multiply two matrices. So let's take some example. A matrix A is given which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and matrix B is given which is 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So if we have to multiply two matrices, then these two matrices should be compatible to be multiplied, which means the number of columns in first matrix should be equal to number of rows in second matrix. Number of columns in first matrix should be equals to number of column in second. Number of column in first matrix should be equals to number of rows in second matrix. Column from first and rows from second should be equal. So here the number of column is 2 and here number of rows is 3. So this is not compatible to be multiplied. So the matrix multiplication could not be performed. So let's make them compatible. Now you can see number of rows and number of columns are equal. Number of columns and number of rows are equal, which is what I have written it here. If a matrix A is m cross n, and then B should be n cross p, a number of columns should be equal to number of rows, then the resultant matrix is equals to m cross p, which is number of rows of resultant product of the matrix is m and column will be equals to p. So the matrix C मल्टीप्लीकेशन करके देखते हैं हम लोग. सो हमें क्या करना होगा, 1 and 3 should be multiplied to 2 and 3. So 1 2s are 2 and 3 3s are 9, and then add them. 1 2s are 2, 3 3s are 9. So we have got the first element of our resultant product, 1 into 2, 3 into 3, which I have written it here. Then 1 3 should be multiplied with 6 7. So 1 into 6 is 6 plus 3 into 7 is 21. 1 3, first column, first row should be multiplied with first column, first row should be multiplied with second column. So we have first, then this, and then this. Now second row should be multiplied with first column and then with second column. So 2 into 2 4 plus 4 into 3 12. Now 2 into 6 12 plus 4 into 7 28. So finally the matrix is equals to 11 27 16 and which it is 40. So the multiplication of matrix A and B is equals to this, and the size is still 2 cross 2 because here the number of rows in A is 2 and number of columns in B is 2. So the resultant matrix size is 2 cross 2. Let's see one more example how to multiply two matrices. Now we will take the matrix of different sizes and see how to multiply them. A matrix is given which is 1 2 3 4. B is still 2 3 1 4 5 6. It is 2 cross 3. Okay. Let's see if these two matrices are compatible to be multiplied or not. So the matrix, the columns in first matrix should be equals to the rows in number of rows in second matrix. Column is 2 and row is 2, so they are compatible to be multiplied. So let's multiply these two matrices and the final size will be equals to 2 cross 3. So 1 3, this and this. So 1 and 3 should be multiplied with this. 1 into 1 2, 3 into 4. What is 3 into 4? 12. We have got this. Now 1 into 3. We have done this. Now this with this. 1 3 is a 3 plus 3 5 is a 15. 1 1 is a 1 plus 6 3 is a 18. Now 2 2 is a 4 and 4 4 is a 16, 2 3s are 6 and 4 5s are 20. Now 2 1s are 2 and 4 6s are 24. So we have final result of multiplication of two matrices. Now let's see some properties which are followed by matrix multiplication. So if matrix multiplication is not commutative, which means AB is not equals to BA. Suppose if AB and BA both exist, मतलब हम A मल्टीप्लाइड B भी कर सकते हैं और B मल्टीप्लाइड A कर सकते हैं, but they will not be equal. So matrix multiplication is not commutative and it is associative, which means A multiplied with B then multiplied C is, which means this. First we multiplied two matrix A and B and then we multiplied it with C, or we multiplied B and C and then we multiplied it with A, then both the result will be equal. So matrix multiplication is not commutative, it is associative, it follows distributive law. Okay, and before multiplying two matrices you should check if they are compatible enough to be multiplied or not by seeing number of columns in first matrix and number of rows in second matrix. That's all for this lecture. Perform some or more examples in matrix multiplication, practice some questions, and it will be easy for you to perform matrix multiplication.